मुनित्रय प्रार्थना। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायमधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतञ्जलिभ्यः शब्दविद्या संप्रदाय प्रवर्तकेभ्यो मुनिभ्यो महद्भ्यो गुरुभ्यः। In this class we will continue this Vikarana Prachaya Prakaranam. First Vikarana Prachaya Sutram is Kartari Shap. Here, even though that is applied for Vadigana, he has not mentioned Vadigana. But the sutras pertaining to other ganas, he has mentioned the Adi. Divadibhyaha Syan, Swadibhyaha Shnuhu, Kriyadibhyaha Shna Ichadayaha. Why he has not mentioned that Vadi in the first sutra, even though it is applicable only for Vadi? That means, Shap is the Vikarana Prachaya imposed as Utsarga. That is natural. And for the remaining Dhatu Ganas, in the place of Shap, he is going to give some Adeshas. So, without mentioning it, Vadibhyaha, he simply said Shap. So, Shap is employed there, but for the other Ganas, other than Shap, they have been employed as Adeshas. But here, you might have observed already, Kartari Shapiti Shapvikarana Prachaya Dattaha. Immediately he has switched over to the Divadibhyaha Syan, fourth Gana, he has switched over. Of course, Panini has not named the Ganas, but we know first Gana is Vadi Gana, second is Adadi Gana, third Gana is Juhotsyadi Gana, etc., etc., Vyavahara. But second Gana and third Gana, he has not given the Prachaya. Because this Prachaya, Adadi Gana already he has mentioned in the earlier chapter, Luk Prakaranam. One we have studied a Luk Prakaranam, where the Prachayas are dropped. He has given a separate Prakaranam for that. In that Prakarana, he is told Adadibhyaha Shapaha. Luk. That means for Adadi Gana, for the second Gana, the Dhatus in second Gana, Shap is dropped. He has mentioned it in Luk Prakarana. And also, Juhotsyadibhyaha is the third Gana. Juhotsyadibhyaha Shluhu. Shluhu means that is also dropping. But along with the dropping action, we have to repeat the Dhatu. Shlu, because it is dropped by Shlu, it means repetition of the Dhatu. So, Juhotsyadi, Juhotchi, Dadati, Ichyadi, that is repeated. The Dhatu is repeated. That also he has not included in this Prakarana. In the earlier Prakarana, Juhotsyadibhyaha Shluhu, he has mentioned it. So, he has gone to the fourth Gana, Divadi. Now, Divadi Gana, we are going to continue. 3171. Yasho Anupasargat. This is Va Syan iti Anuvartate. Vikalpena Syan Prachayo Bhavati Vikaranattvena. This Vikarana name also has not been given by Panini himself. Earlier Vyakarana Vedas themselves they have given this Vikarana. He has, even though Panini has specially classified them as some Shit, Shap, Shna, Shnu, Ichadi. Earlier Vyakarana Vedas, they have simply said Vikarana Prachayas. The great beauty of Panini Sutra is he systematized everything. The existing grammatical knowledge he has systematized it. Yaso Anupasargat Syan Va Bhavati. Yas Dhatoho अनुपसर्गात् यस् धातोः उपसर्गरहित यस् धातोः स्यन् इति प्रत्ययः विकल्पेन भवति इत्यर्थः. यस् मीन्स् यसु प्रयत्ने इति धातुपाठः. Originally this dhatu has been notified by Panini in the fourth gana itself. But here, even though it is notified in the Divadi gana, he is telling shan vikalpena bhavati. So only for this dhatu and that also that dhatu without upasarga, this shan which is nityam, earlier it was told in nityam, divadibhyaha shnuhu iti sutrena, divadigane ये ये धातवः वर्तन्ते तेषां स्यन् भवति इति नित्यत्वेन उक्तम्. But this particular dhatu he has told it is vikalpa. So स्यन् vikalpena bhavati. If स्यन् doesn't function here, what will happen? Utsarga, shap. That is the first prachaya. So yasa yasu prayatne iti daivadika dhatoho nitye purvam prapte idanim अनुपसर्गात विकल्पः उच्यते. अनुपसर्गात शुद्ध धातुः without having upasarga. What does this upasarga do? Upasarga stresses the meaning of dhatu, or sometimes it alters altogether. Sometimes it gives the same. With upasarga and without upasarga also same meaning. For example, visha. Visha, entering. Visha praveshe. With adding prab upasarga, there is no meaning difference also. Meaning, there is no difference in the meaning. Same meaning. So, same meaning, upasarga gives the same meaning, or it gives a fully different meaning, or it gives a modified meaning. So, here, अनुपसर्गे यस् धातोः स्यन् विकल्पेन भवति. If स्यन् भवति, then यस्यति, यस् प्लस या प्लस ति. स्यन् is या. यस्यति. If shap is employed, yasati, yasati, yasyati. Because he has told anupasargat, what will happen if upasarga is there? He has given two counter examples. Ang purvaka yas dhatuh. Ang, it stretches the meaning of the dhatu. Ayasyati. So only syan will be there. Vikalpa is not there. Ayasyati means ang purvaka yes. That means he exerts fully. Exerts himself. Prayasyati. Prapurvaka yes dhatuhu. Prakarshena ityarthaha. He strives very hard. He tries very hard. Prayasyati. Upasargat yas dhatoho upasargat syanneva bhavati. Anupasargat vikalpena syan bhavati. We will go to the next rule. Samyashascha. Sampurvaka yas dhatoscha syan vikalpena bhavati. Earlier yas dhatuhu without upasarga it has been notified as vibhasha. Here Sampurvaka yes, that is upasarga sahitam. Sopasargasya. Etad sutram sopasargardham punaruktam. Samyashascha sampurvaka yes dhatoscha syan vikaranam vikalpena bhavati. Samyasyati. Samyasyati. Ang or sam, they mean the same thing almost. Endeavors fully, he tries fully. Samyasyati. Syan pakshe samyasyati. Shap pakshe samyasati. We will go to the next rule. 3173. Swadibhyaha shnuhu. He has come to the fifth gana. Divadi gana is fourth. Swadi gana is the fifth. Swadibhyaha shnuhu. Kartari sarvadhatuke iti. From the earlier rule they follow. So swadigane ste ganastha dhatubhyaha. Swadigane ye dhatavah vartante tebhyaha shnu iti prachayo bhavati. This is also apavada of shap. Kartari shap iti prathama utsargasya apavadaha. Swadiganaha. The Swadigana, su, first su we take. That is in Ganapatha, it is given as Shui. Shui Abhishave iti Ganapatha. Abhishavaha nama Yajnanta Snanakaranam. Yajnante Snanam Kriyate Teneva Yajnasya Parisamaptir Bhavati. Yajnanta Snanakarane Shui iti Upayujyate. But more popularly, it is also called Yantradi Dwara Rasasya Nishkashanam. Rasasya Nishkashanam. Yantradi Dwara. Nowadays they call it ark. In Hindi they call it ark. That is bringing out the essence of the substance. That in that meaning also this is properly added. Shui iti sakara adihi. Sakaradeha pratyayah sakaradesho bhavati. So here we have to take su only. Because this is sui iti yakaraha kritaha itvena tena tasya upayapadatvam bhavati. Atmanepadatvam bhavati, parasmepadatvam cha bhavati. Now we will take up the example. Su dhatuhu nu iti vikaranam ti iti ting pratyayah. This is nu. This is shnu. So pakara is not there as it. Apit. Apit sarvadhatukam iti sutrena tasya gnitvam bhavati. Apit nit bhavati. Nit, what is the result of nit? It prohibits guna and vruddhi. So otherwise, for any pratyaya added to su should get guna. Su should become so. But here, this is prohibited here. Apit sarvadhatukam iti sutrena, this is prohibited. That is why su is not getting guna. Su plus nu plus ti. It is sthite. Ting is ting pratyaya. Ti, tip iti. It is pit. So it is gunakarakam. So su plus nu plus ti it is sthite. Because of ti, because of tip there, nu gets guna. No bhavati. Sunoti iti rupam bhavati. This is Atmanepada also. Sunute in Atmapadi. Sunoti iti Parasmepadi. Another dhatu also we will take. Siya bandhane. Tying down. Si. This is also because yakara is there as it is Ubhayapada. That is Atmanepada as well as Parasmaipada. Si plus nu plus ti. Yatha purvam, because this is apit sarvadhatukam, si will not get guna. It will not become se. Nu gets guna. Sinoti iti rupam. Parasmaipadam, sinoti. Sinute iti Atmanepadam. Ties down ichartha. We'll go to the next sutra. 3174. Shruvaha shnucha. Kartari sarvadhatuke shnuhu iti anvartate. Shru iti dhatuhu atra. Shru shravane iti dhatuhu. To hear, to listen to. This gets shnu pratyaya. Kartari sarvadhatuke shnu pracyayo bhavati. Tenaiva saha tat sanniyogena shruvaha shru iti adesho bhavati. Shru ityasya, shru means shakara, refa, ukara. Here, instead of refa, shakara, rikara. Shru gets the adesha of shru, where sarvadhatuke kartari. That means in the lakaras, only 4 lakaras are sarvadhatuka lakaras. Lat, lot, lang, vidhiling. These 4 are sarvadhatuka lakaras. So in sarvadhatuka lakaras, shru iti dhatuhu, it will take the form of shri. We have to be very careful in pronouncing it. Shru means Shakara, Refa and Ukara. Shru means Shakara and Rikara, Rutvam. So in Sarvadhatuka Lakaras, in the four Lakaras, Shru iti dhatuhu, it is going to get Adesha of Shru. Example, Lat Lakara. Shru plus Nu plus Ti. Shru becomes a Shri. Shru plus, as before, Shru will not get Rutvam. If it gets Guna. If it gets Guna, it becomes Shar. It doesn't get Shri plus Nu. Nu gets Guna because it is followed by Ti. Shrunoti iti rupam bhavati. Shrunoti means he hears. Shrunutaha, they too hear. Shrunvanti, they all hear. Same way, lot lakaraha. Shrunotu. Shrunotu, let him hear. Prathama purusha ekavachanam. Lang lakaraha. Ashrunot, he heard. Evancha, vidhiling. Shrunuyat. So they are getting their whatever prachayas are needed there, they are included there. Shrunuyat. So these four lakaras, Shru, Refanta, Refa, Ukaranta, Shru will get the Adesha of Shri. The remaining lakaras, that is Ardhadhatuka lakaras, Kramena Padamaha, Lut will be Ardhadhatuka lakara. Anadyatana bhavishyat kala. Rit, samanya bhavishyat kala. That is also ardhadhatuka lakara. And lung, samanya bhuta kala. That is also ardhadhatuka lakara. Evamcha, for the remaining asir ling, also ardhadhatuka lakara. For the remaining 6 lakaras, 4 lakaras are sarvadhatukam and remaining 6 are ardhadhatukam. Ardhadhatuka lakare Shru ityasya rupam tadhaiva tishtati. It won't get changed. So, Shru plus Ya plus Shruyate iti yak prachaye. Shruyate iti yak prachaye. Shrota iti lut prachaye. Shrota. Shru gets guna. Shrota. Evamcha. Now, we'll go to the next sutra. Aksho Anyatarasyam 3175. Aksho Anyatarasyam. Akshu iti dhatu here. Akshu iti dhatu pathe Akshu vyaptau iti dhatu. Vyapti means pervading, accumulating, etc. This is actually Vadi dhatu. In the first gana, it appears. Though first gana, we are supposed to have sep. But here, Anyatarasyam shnuhu bhavati. That means shnu, or in case shnu doesn't occur, sep only. Akshu dhatoho Anyatarasyam shnu bhavati. Anyatarasyam ityuktatvena sep api bhavati. Aksh dhatuhu. Aksh plus shnu bhavati chet, aksh plus nu plus ti. Atra gunasya avakashah nasti, nu no bhavati, akshu noti. Nakara gets nakara because it is followed by sakara. When sakara precedes nakara, nakara gets nakara, natvam. Akshunoti. If it is a shap only, akshu plus shapu plus ti, akshati. So akshnoti, akshati. These are the rupas. Next, 3176. Tanukarane takshaha. Anyatarasyam shnuhu. Taksha dhatuhu. Taksha tanukaranardhe. Actually, this taksha dhatu that has been read in the Ganapatha with this meaning only. Takshu tanukarane iti eva Ganapatha vartate. Because the dhatus get anekardhatvam. Anekardhatvam dhatunam iti nyayaha. So, because it is an old ancient language, these dhatus, the meanings other than the dhatu patha also have been adopted in due course. So they take many meanings. But all those meanings we cannot dictate ourselves. The students cannot dictate. We have to follow the Shista Paribhasha. Panditanam Paribhasha we have to follow. So here, because Taksha Dhatu, even though it is read as Tanukarane, Tanukarana means chiseling. What you call, making it small. Chiseling or splitting like that. Even though this is read as Tanukaranarthe, because dhatus can get so many meanings, in that particular meaning, Tanukaranarthe, Taksha Dhatoho, Vikalpena Shnu Prachayo Bhavati. Actually, that must get Shap only because it is read in the Bhadigana, but Vikalpena Shnu Vikarano Bhavati. So, Tanukaranarthe, Tachnoti, Tach Dhatuhu, Nu plus Ti. As before, Nu gets No, Tach plus No, Nakarasya Natvam, Tachnoti. Tachnoti means he is sizzling, he is making it small. Tachnoti Kashtam. Iti Vakya Udaharana. He is chiseling the log wood, wooden log. That is why, because of Taksha Dhatuhu, the carpenter is called Takshakaha. By name Takshakaha, we have got a Sarpa also, Krura Sarpa. But Takshaka generally means it's carpenter. Takshnoti iti Takshaha. If you get Shaprachaya instead of Shnu, Takshati. Taksh plus Shap plus Ti. Takshati Kastam. Then, because it is told Tanukaranardhe eva Takshadhatoh Shnuhu Prachaya Anyatarasyam Bhavati Chuktam Tena Karanena, Atra, in different meanings other than Tanukarana, this will not get this Shnu Prachaya. Santakshati iti Rupam. Sampurvaka Takshadhatuhu. Santakshati Vagbhihi. Here, Takshadhatu is not getting the Tanukaranartha. Santakshati means Tarjayati, Nirbharsayati. He threatens. Santakshati Vagbhihi. He is threatening by words. Here, Tanukaranartha Nasti iti Krutva, this is getting only Shap, not Shnu as choice. Next sutra. Tudadibhyaha Shaha. So this is the sixth gana. Swadi gana is fourth gana. Shnu Vikaranam. This is the sixth gana. Tudadibhyaha Shaha. Tudadi ganaha. It is called Tudadi ganaha because in the Dhatu Patha, Tuda is the first Dhatu mentioned in that gana. So this is Tudadi gana. Tudadibhyaha Dhatubhyaha Shaha Vikarano Shaha iti Prachyaha Vikaranattvena Bhavati. Kartari Sarvadhatuke. This is also Shapo Apavadaha. What is the difference between Shap and Sha? Sha is not having Pakara is It. So, Guna Buddhi Karyani Nabhavanti. That is the meaning. The underlying meaning, why he has put Sha. Shap means Akara. Sha means also Akara. But because of Pitvam, Shap, when Shap is employed there, you are going to get Guna. When Shap is not employed, Sha is employed, you are not going to get Guna. So, Tudadibhyaha Dhatubhyaha. This is Sha iti Shakaraha Sarvadhatukardhaha. Tuda, we will take the example of Tuda. Tuda Vyathane iti Dhatu. Vyathana means wounding, harming, hitting, pricking, etc. Tuda Vyathane. Tud plus Sha plus Ti. Tud plus A plus Ti. Apitvat, it is not Pit, it is only Sha. Pakara is not there. So, Gunaha Nabhavati. Tud Tod Nabhavati. If Guna Bhavati, Tod Bhavati. Tod Nabhavati. Tud plus A plus Ti. Tudati. Iti Rupam Bhavati. Another example is Nuda. Nuda Prerane. Prerane means pushing him forward. or inspiring him to do a particular work. Alankarikatvena we can tell so many meanings. Actually, preranam means pra plus iranam, that is pushing forward. Nuda prerane, nud plus sha plus ti, nud plus a plus ti. Atrapi gunakaryam na bhavati, nud nod na bhavati, nudati. Next sutra is Rudadibhyaha Snam Kartari Sarvadhatuke iti anuvartate. Rudhadi gana, this is seventh gana. Rudhadibhyaha Snam iti vikaranam. Rudhadi gane ye dhatavah vartante tebhyaha Snam prachayo bhavati. This is also shap apavadaha. Atra Snam iti Shakaraha it. Shakaraha only sarvadhatukarthaha, and here makara also is it. So what is remaining here? Snam. Shakara it, makara it, na. Akara purvaka, akaranta, na. So this why this makara has been made it here? When makara is made it, that particular prachaya will be followed by the first ach in the dhatu. Mid acho antyat paraha. Achaha antyat. Whatever ach vowel in the particular word where it is going to get snam, the last vowel, after the last vowel, this na will come. Snam. Na, the place of na in the shabda is after the last vowel. For example, Rudha dhatu is there. Rudha, it contains only one vowel. That is the first and that is the last. So last vowel is Ukara. Ukara anantaram na bhavati. Ru plus na plus dh. This is the converted rupa of the dhatu. Shu, ru plus na plus dha, runa dha bhavati. This makara is made here, itvam is made here with the intention of denoting the particular place where that agama is going to appear. Mid acho antyat purvaha, already we have learned this rule. This chakara is made it here for a particular Vishesha Karyam. I will tell the Vishesha Karyam also. First we will take the dhatu, Rudha. Rudhir avarane. Avarana means covering up. Sometimes obstructing, which also ardha bhavati. Rudhir avarane. It is mostly used with some upasarga. Nirodhaha, prarodhaha, ichadi. Avarodhaha, ichadi. Rudhir avarane iti irrantam. That will disappear, that will be dropped. Rudha is the actual shape of the dhatu. So na, the snam na, is going to, we are going to get it after ukara. Ru na dha. Ru na dha plus ti. Earlier we were going to get the vikaranam after the dhatu. But here the vikaranam has entered in between the dhatu. That is the only difference because of makara. So, ru na dha plus ti. Dhakaradanantaram takarasya dhakaro bhavati. The rule is jasaha tadhor dhaha. Sandhi rule. So, dhakaradanantaram takaraha. Takaraha dhakaratvena parivartayati. So, ru na dha plus dha. Dhi. Ti means dhi. Here jastvam also. Jalam jasi iti sutrena. Earlier dhakarasya jastvam bhavati, dakaraha bhavati. So the first dhakara and the second dhakara gets second takara gets dhakara, and first dhakara gets dakara. So finally the rupam will be ru na plus dhi. Dhakarad anantaram dhakaraha. Earlier it was dhakarad anantaram takaraha. Now it is converted as dhakara anantaram dhakaraha. Na gets nakara because it is following rutvam. Rashabhyam no na samana pade iti nakarasya natva sutram rashabhyam. That means refa, after refa and sakara, whatever nakara is there, nakara will get nakara. So runadhi iti rupam bhavati. Runadhi means he obstructs, he covers up. Another dhatu, bhidir vidarane. Vidarana means cutting into pieces. Bhidir, bhid iti sishyate. This is also rudhadigane. Bhid plus snam plus ti. Actually the snam enters in between. Bhid, ikara is the antya achi. Acho antyat paraha. That is after ikara, na. The place of na is after ikara. Bhi plus na plus d. After that ti. Ti prachaya. Bhi na d ti. Kharicha iti sutrena dakaradarantaram takare takare pare dakaraha khar bhavati char bhavati. That means takara. So bhi nat plus ti. Bhinatti. Bhinatti means vidarayati ityartha. Here, why Shakara is getting Visheshana Karyam, we will explain here. We will take the dhatu Anji iti dhatu. Anji Vyakti Mrakshana Kanti Gatishu iti dhatu pataha. Mostly it is used to mean cleaning, or to make it well known, or to apply oil on the body. Mrakshana means applying oil on the body. Anji dhatuhu. Anji, actually this has got three letters. Akara, afterwards nakara, and then jakara. A, nakara and jakara. Nakara gets parasavarnam. Jakarasya parasavarnam. That is, nakara will get cha cha ja ja nya. Anj iti rupam bhavati. Actually this is akara, nakara, jakara. This also get snam. Sarvadhatuke. So anji, when snam is applied, this na in snam, it will appear after the last vowel in the dhatu. So the last vowel is akara. That is the first vowel, that is the last vowel. So after a, we have to put na. Ana plus n plus j. Tasmat ti. A, na, n, j plus ti. Here the Vishesha Karyam is Snat nalopaha iti sutram. Snat means after sna. Nakarasya lopo bhavati. After sna prachaya, whatever nakara appears, that will be dropped. So here a, na plus n plus j. So after na, that is snam, snat. After na, nakara is appearing. So that will be dropped. That is a, na, ja bhavati. Nakara is dropped. A, na, n, ja iti sthite. The second nakara is dropped. Anaj plus ti. Anaj plus ti. Atra jakarasya kutvam bhavati. Chohu kuhu iti sutrena jakara will get converted to kakara. First it will be converted to gakara and then kharicha iti kakara. Anak plus ti. Anaj plus ti will become anak plus ti. Anakti iti rupam. Anakti means he applies oil to the body. Or he makes it well known. Vyakti. Vyakti means Vyakti-karanam. He makes it well known. Another example also we can take. Bhanji iti dhatuhu. Bhanji amardane iti dhatu pataha. Amardana means destroy. Bhanji. Here also bhakara, bha is there. Bha plus n plus ja. Na gets parasavarnam. Na becomes nya. Bha, na, ja. Snam. After akara in bha, we will get snam. Bha plus na plus n plus j plus ti. Here also snat nalopaha iti sutrena shna prachayad anantaram yat nakaraha vartate tasya lopo bhavati. So here bha na nakara gets dropped, bhanaji plus ti. Bhanaji plus ti choho kuhu iti sutrena bhanakti iti rupam bhavati. Amardayati chartha, it destroys. Another dhatu also has been given in the Shastra. Himsa himsayam. Hims iti dhatuhu. Actually this is read as hisi. Hisi, ikara. Ikaraha it. When ikara is it in dhatu patha, that means numagamaha will come. That means hin-s bhavati. Hisi iti dhatuhu. Hi-n-s numagamaha. Hi-n-s tasmatapi dudadibhya iti sutrena tasmadapi rudhadibhya sutrena tasmadapi snam bhavati. Hi plus n plus s iti stute snam. Hi ikara after hakara. After that ikara we are going to get na. Hi plus na plus n plus s. Snat nalopaha. Then nakara, after na, nakara gets dropped. Hinas, it becomes hi na n s iti stite. Nakara is dropped. Hi na s, hinas plus ti, hinasti. Hinasti means himsayati chartha. Tortures. Now we will go to the next sutra. Tanadibhyaha, tanadikribhyaha uhu. Kartari sarvadhatuke iti anurtihi. Tanadikribhyaha uhu. Now he is referring to Tanadigana. Tanadigana is actually seventh gana. Seventh Tankayadi Chura. Yes, seventh gana. Because earlier Ruthadi gana, seventh gana has been mentioned. Tanadi is seventh. Tanadi is eighth. Tanadi kribhyaha uhu. Tanadi ganaha. Tanu vistare iti arabhya yaha ganapatha bhavati tad ganaha. Tanadi kribhyaha. Here kri iti dhatuhu, tanu vistare iti dhatuhu, dukri karane iti dhatuhu. This kru dhatu also has been read in the Tanadi gana. Tanadi kribhyaha uhu. Here, why kru should be mentioned separately is the question. Because kru is already included in the Tanadi gana. Tanadi ganasya uhu iti vikaranam atra vidhiyate. Then automatically kru also gets u vikaranam. Then why he has mentioned separately? That means even though this kri dhatuhu belongs to Tanadi gana and gets ukara as vikarana, but the other vishesha karyas pertaining to tan ganaha, tanadi shabdaha will not be applicable to kri. That is why he has given it separately. That means only u vikaranardhameva kru dhatu has been included in the Tanadi gana. Whatever other karyas are going to be occur for Tanadi dhatus, other karyas will not be applied to kru dhatu. To make this speciality, he has mentioned kru also in the sutra, even though kru is already included in the Tanadi gana. Now we will take the rupa. Tanu vistare, ukaraha it, tanna. Tan plus u iti vikaranam. Tan plus u plus ti. Because ti is tip, it creates guna. Nu, tan plus u becomes o. Tan plus o plus ti. Tanoti. This is upayapada dhatuhu. Parasmepade tanoti bhavati. Atmanepade tanute iti rupam bhavati. We will take another dhatu also. Example. Sanu dane. दानार्थक धातुः चारिटी सन प्लस विकरण उ सन प्लस उ प्लस ति उ गेट्स ओ गुण सन प्लस ओ प्लस ति सनोति दिस इज आल्सो उभय पद सनोति इज परस्मैपदी सनुते इति आत्मनेपदी क्षणु हिंसायाम क्षणु धातुः क्षण प्लस उ विकरणम ति उ बिकम्स ओ क्षणोति आत्मनेपदे क्षणुते इति we will take the kru dhatu also as far as u vikaranam is concerned kru plus u plus ti this is u this will create sarvadhatuka ardhadhatukayoho is by the sutra this kru it gets a guna it becomes kar plus u plus ti kar plus u plus ti u gets o kar plus o plus ti karoti kurute iti atmanepade so that vishesha karyam we will try to explain what are the vishesha karya not pertaining to kru dhatu but pertaining to all the other dhatus excepting kru there is one sutra tanadibhyah तथासोहो इति सूत्रेण तनादिगणेभ्यः धातुभ्यः सिचः ता इति प्रत्ययस्य थास् इति प्रत्ययस्य विभाषा लुक् भवति when तनादिगण excepting kru धातुः when sich is applied for lung earlier chapter we have dealt with this sich is applied for lung lungi ta iti pratyeye pare ta means prathama purusha ekavachanam thas iti pratyeye pare thas iti madhyama purusha ekavachanam tathasoho pare parayoho sichah vibhasa luk bhavati it gets dropped sich gets dropped optionally ityartha now we will take one dhatu to explain this तनु विस्तारे अस्मात् लुंग चिलेह लुंगी चिलेह सिच्चि लुंगी सिच्चि इति आदेशः दिस इज लुंग विकरण लुंग लकारः सो इट गेट्स अडागम अ प्लस तन प्लस सिच्चि प्लस ता इज द प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन आत्मनेपदम अ तन प्लस सिच्चि प्लस ता by this तनादिभ्यः तथासोः इति सूत्रेण अत्र सिचः लोपः भवति because ता is followed सिचः लोपः विभाषा so लोपपक्षे we will take the रूपम a plus tan sich gets dropped and ta a tan plus ta this is tan is अनुनासिकांत धातुः नकार is अनुनासिका अनुदात्तोपदेश वनति तनोत्यादीनां अनुनासिक लोपः नीति परे इति सूत्रेण झलि नीति परे इति सूत्रेण अत्र अनुनासिकस्य लोपः भवति आ तन् प्लस ता इति स्थिते अनुनासिकस्य लोपः नकारस्य लोपः आ त त अतत इति रूपम् अतत मीन्स इट एक्सपेंडेड लुंग लकारः सामान्य भूतकालः इट एक्सपेंडेड नौ थास् प्रत्ययः मध्यम पुरुष एकवचनम् आ अडागमः धातुः तन् सिच् एंड थास् तनादिभ्यः तथासोः इति सूत्रेण थास् परे सिचः लुक् भवति दैट मीन्स आ प्लस तन् प्लस थास् आ सिच गेट्स ड्रॉप्ड आ तन् प्लस थास् हियर आल्सो अनुदात्तोपदेश वनति तनोत्यादीनां अनुनासिक लोपः that will be applied here so a plus ta na gets dropped nakara gets dropped a ta plus thas atathas sakarasya rutvam visargah atathaah iti roopam bhavati atathaah means madhyama purusha ekavachanam You expanded. This is lopapakshe karyani. Lopaha vibhasa ukta kila. Sichaha lopasya abhave. A tan plus sich plus ta. Sichaha lopaha na bhavati. Sichaha lopaha na bhavati cheta arunachika lopopi na bhavati. Idagamaha bhavati. Sich prachayasya. A plus tan plus is plus ta. Ta is prathama purusha ekavachanam. A plus tan plus is plus ta. E is idagama here. E s. E ichasi anantaram sakaraha sakaratvena parivartayati. A plus tan plus ish plus ta. Sakarat anantaram takarasya stutvam bhavati. Takara gets ta. Atanishta iti rupam bhavati. Atanishta means this is same meaning as atata. Expanded. Thas prache vishe. A tan plus idagama sahita sakaraha sichi thas. Atanishtaha iti rupam bhavati. Etad vibhasa karyam sichaha vibhasa lopa karyam par tanadi. Yadyapi kruvi dhatuhu tanadi gane vartate, this vibhasa vishesha karyam will not be applicable to kruvi dhatuhu. So what will happen if kru is used here? Adagamaha kru sichi ta. Sichaha lopaha na bhavati. Because that lopa karyam is not applicable to kru. So sich stands. A kru plus sich plus ta. Here by another sutra sichaha lopaha is imposed here. Hraswad angat sichaha lopaha iti. After kru sich is appearing. Kru is haswangaha. Hraswang rukaraha vartate. Rukaraha hraswaha atra. Hraswangaha. Hraswangat sichaha lopa bhavati sutrena. Atra sichaha lopa bhavati. Natu tanadibhyaha iti sutrena na bhavati. Because of different sutra, this sich is getting dropped. So, akru plus ta. Akruta. Akruta means you have done it. Akru plus sichi plus thas. Akruta means he has done it in Prathama Purusha. Thas is Madhyama Purusha. Akru plus sichi plus thas. Sichaha lopaha rasvadangatiti. Akru plus thas. Akruthaha. You had done it. So this Vishesha Karyam also we have tried to explain. Now we will go to the next sutra. 3180. Dhinvi krinvyoho acha. Sandhi vibhaga krutaha maya. Dhinvi krunvyora cha iti sutram. We have to divide the sandhi. Dhinvi krunvyoho. Dvivachanam. Dhinvi dhatoho. Krunvi dhatoho. Tasmat a cha. Uhu iti anuvartate. Dhinvi krunvi. Etad dhatu dvayam vadigane bhavanti. Vadigane. So generally it gets only shap, vadigana. But here u is imposed here. Along with the imposition of u, in place of shap, u is imposed. Along with that, dhatos atvam bhavati. That means akaraha adeshaha bhavati antyasya aksharasya. Dhinva iti dhatoho vakara sthane akara bhavati. Krinva iti sthane vakarasya sthane akaro bhavati. U iti pratyaya sanniyoyena. Because we are using u, along with that prescription of u, this prescription also is made. Antyasya aksharasya akaradeshaha. So dhinvi we have taken first. This is read in the Ganapatha as dhivi. Dhivi prinanarthaha. Prinana means pleasing. Dhivi prinanarthaha. Because this is made it. Dhivi, ikaraha is there. That is made it. Idito num dhatoho iti sutrena dhinva bhavati. The rupa of the dhatu will be altered. Dhinva. Dhinva plus u. How the Rupam will come? Dhinv plus U plus Ti. Atra Dhinvi Acha Akaraha Antyadeshaha Bhavati Chuktam. So what is the Antyakcharam here? Dhinv Vakaraha. Vakarasthane Akaradesho Bhavati. So Dhinv iti sthite Dhin plus A. Dhina Bhavati. Dhina plus U plus Ti. Here, dhina, this is akara, akaranta dhatuhu. Ato lopaha ardha dhatuke iti sutrena akarasya lopo bhavati. Dhin bhavati. Dhin plus U plus Ti. U gets guna. Dhin plus O plus Ti. Dhinoti iti rupam bhavati. Dhinoti means pleases. Dhinoti prinati chartha. Similarly, krinva dhatoho. What is the meaning of krinva? Krinva himsa karanayoho. Himsardheva pramukaha vartate. Himsardhakaha dhatuhu. Krinva plus vikaranam U. Krinva plus U plus Ti. Vakarasya akaradeshaha. Krun plus A. Vakarasthane akaraha. Krunnu vakarasthane A. Kruna bhavati. Kruna plus U plus Ti. U gets O. Krunoti. Hinasti chartha. Himsayati chartha. Atra one vishesha is to be observed here. Ato lopaha. Kruna plus U plus Ti iti sthite akarasya lopaha kritaha. Because this is followed by ardha dhatukam. Here, akarasya lopasya sthanivad bhavat. Sthanivad adesho analvithau iti sutrena tata sthanivad bhavam bhavati. Tena kru dhatoho gunahan abhavati. Even though akara is dropped, when you adopt U prachayaha, that gives guna. So, kru must get kar. Upadha gunaha. Because akara we are treating as adesha, we are treating as sthanivat. So, we have to think that akara is there. Even though akara is dropped, we have to think that akara is there. When akara is there, upadha will not be rikara. Nakara will be the upadha. So, we avoid guna here. So, sthanivat bhavena, adeshasya sthanivat bhavena, atra gunakaryam nabhavati. Krunoti iti rupam bhavati. Now we will go to the next sutra. Kriyadibhyaha shna. So we get the ninth gana here. Kriyadi ganaha. Kri plus adi ganaha. Kriyadibhyaha shna. Sarvadhatuke kartari iti anvartate. This kri iti dhatuhu. Kri plus adi kriyadi. Dukri dravya vinimaye iti dhatu pataha. That means actually we are using it as buying. Kri means buying. Krinati, he buys. Vikrinite, he sells. Dravya vinimayaha ichuktam atra. Previously, this buying and selling, these transactions were by exchange of barter. Barter system was there. So, dravya vinimaya means purchasing things and selling things. Dukri dravya vinimaya iti prathama dhatuhu evam adibhyaha dhatubhyaha shna prachayo bhavati shap sthane. Shapaha apavadaha. Shna prachayaha. Atra shakaraha ittu bhavati. Na iti dirgha akaranta na iti prachayaha bhavati. Vikarana prachayaha. We will take this kri dhatuhu. Kri plus sna plus ti. Kri plus na plus ti. Pradhama purusha latlakare vartamanakare pradhama purusha ekavachanam. Kri plus na plus ti. Here no other karya is there. Kri nati bhavati. Nakarasya refadanantaram vartate iti krutva nakarasya nakaraha bhavati. Krinati. He buys icharthaha. Priing तर्पणे कान्तौ च इति अन्यः धातुः अस्मिन् गणे. प्रीन् इति प्लीजिंग. प्री प्लस स्ना प्लस ति, प्री प्लस ना प्लस ति, प्रीणाति is pleases इत्यर्थः. अत्र स्ना प्रत्ययः, why this क्री is not getting guna? क्री प्लस ना इति स्थिते why it is not getting guna? This is स्ना प्रत्ययः, पित् is not there. So सार्वधातुकम् अपित् इति सूत्रेण तस्य ङित्वं भवति. Because of nitvam, guna and vruddhi nishedha. Kri will not get kre iti rupam. Krinati. Next sutra we will take up. Stambhu, stumbhu, skambhu, skumbhu, skuibhyaha, shnuscha. These are all dhatus. Stambhu, stumbhu, skambhu, skumbhu, skui. This here 5 dhatus are mentioned. The first 4 dhatus, sautra dhatus, that is, they appear on in the sutra patha only. Those dhatus do not appear in this Gana patha made by Panini, but they are mentioned in the sutras only. That is called sautra patha. So this is stambhu, stumbhu, skambhu, skumbhu iti sautraha dhatavaha. They all mean pratibandhaha. Skui means apravane. Sku. Apravana means jumping and lifting it up. In fact, scooter is the padam sku dhatoho utpannam. It jumps. Previously scooter, it was scooter age. Now it is a bike age. So scooter is called like that because it jumps on the path. So skui dhatuhu apravanardhe bhavati. Etebhyah dhatubhyah shnu at shnuscha ityuktam. Shnu bhavati chakarena shna api bhavati. Earlier sutra. Shnu shna cha bhavataha. Stabhnati iti shna. अत्र मकारस्य अनुनासिक लोपः पूर्वसूत्रेण. स्तब्धना स्तुब्धना स्तंभ धातु स्तब्धनाति. श्नु भवति चेत् स्तब्धनोति. स्कंभ धातुः. अनदर धातु स्तुम्भ इज देयर. स्तुब्धनाति स्तुब्धनोति. स्कंभ धातुः स्कब्नाति स्कब्नोति. One rupa is sna, the other rupa is shnu. Sku dhatuhu, skunati, skunoti. Atra ukara, stambhu, stumbhu, skumbhu, skumbhu, all this with ukara they have been mentioned here. Ukara, there is a vishesha karyam for this because udito va iti tva prachayasya upayoge Numagamo bhavati. Yatra ukaraha itvam krutam. All these dhatus are made ukara itvam. Udit. Ukara itvam means udit. Udito va iti sutrena atra tva prachayasya idagamo bhavati. Stabhitva stambh dhatuhu. Stabhitva stabdhva iti rupadvayam bhavati. Tadartham atra udit ukaraha it krutaha. Now next sutra onwards we will take up in the next class. We will end up this lesson with Shanti Patha. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvisavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.